Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about due west reviews? If yes, then watch the Sunbase review that will help you to understand the legitimacy of this website. As the website is getting attention of online customer from different part of the world, especially from United States of America and Canada. They are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. So let's check out the detail. DueWest came into existence 4 decades ago in 1973. With the spread of internet, it launched the DueWest.ca e-commerce website. DueWest sells a variety of fashionable outfits and accessories. The clothes are designed by 11 by BBS, Adidas, Golden Goose, Alchemist, 1200, Alexander McQueen, Daily Paper, ASRV, CP Company, etc. It features the following clothing and accessory like jackets, jeans, pants, shirts, shorts, sweaters, t-shirts, wears, boots, sneakers, sandal, socks, bags, belts, hats, jewelry, socks, sunglasses, watches, wallet. Let's check out the feature of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. They share their email address, physical address and contact detail. As far as owner details are hidden, the information about the owner of DueWest is withheld. They shared their social media links that are working. As far as privacy policy and terms are concerned, they shared clear policy and we found no plagiarism. For shipping, they need 1 to 3 days for processing. Different shipping rates apply depending on your state and country. For order over $349, DueWest provides free shipping. As far as its delivery is concerned, it takes maximum 9 business days for standard shipping. You can track your order by tracking number. As far as cancellation and return is concerned, the return authorization need to be obtained by sending an email to customer care email address. You can return the regular sales item within 14 days. The positive point of the website are free standard shipping for item if you shop over $349 in Canada. Filtering item based on various category and criteria is possible. The friendly user interface on iOS. Negative highlights of the website are only the images of clothes and accessories are provided without detailed description. The question is, DueWest scam or legit? So let's check out the detail. It was registered on 30th April 2014. DueWest is 7 years and 7 months old. It will expire on 30th April 2022. DueWest trust score of is about 93%, which considered a good trust index. It is based in Canada. There is no blacklisted for this website. It transmits website information via trusted HTTPS connection. We found no suspicious detail for this website. As far as social media presence is concerned, there are more than 6K followers on Instagram and Facebook. It has good social media presence. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us, so there are only 2 YouTube reviews that point out DueWest may be a legitimate website. However, customers were requested to check the information before making a purchase. There are fewer number of mixed reviews found on website and Instagram. On reliable reviewing website, there are now less than 321 followers giving mixed reviews for this website. Over the internet, there are approximately 24 reviews. Most of the customers had rated DueWest 4.5 out of 5 star. One negative review pointed out the poor customer service. So in conclusion, we can say that the website is legitimate as it has a good trust score. Most of the customers are positive and the website has been in existence for a long time. The customer received their orders delivered and showed their satisfaction over the internet for this website review, but still we recommend you it's better to make a thorough research on your own behalf too and then go for call on action Moreover, if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.